Hi guys, let's start and fastly create today PowerPoint. It's looking great. It has a lots of effect. Let's try to create it. At first we need to create the shapes. The shapes are really easy to create, but for the reference, let's try to create them. At first we need to add a blank space. In the blank space, we are going to use the shape. You may find the shape here. Reduce the zoom. Hold the shift. Okay, it's good. But you see we need to reduce the angle a little. It's good. Now we bring it back, but you see it's not okay. It's aligned the best. Now we need to increase it in size a little. Okay, it's good. Now we need to put it here and select it. After select that, take the shape outline to none, format the shape. In the shape format, we are going to give it a right shadow, and we are going to increase the size of the shadow by a little bit. And after the increasing, we are going to make it blur. Okay, now it's ready. We create another copy of that and another copy of that. It's good. Now let's see what we created up to now. It's great. Select all three of them. Now we need to color them up. We format the background and we are going to use this theme for the background and this thing, this thing, this thing, I think, and then we are going to use this thing. Okay, you see it's create a little nice transparency that I like it. Now let's paste the text. The text is just some easy overdrive sunset and has nothing more to say, and we copy that. But before that, we apply the background color to all of the pages. Now we bring this in, bring this up, copy the text, paste it here. Okay, copy it another time. But before doing that, we need to select this tree and bring them to front. Copy that. Hold this. Okay. Now copy the page text. Okay, copy that. But before copying, don't forget to bring this thing to front. And then copy that. Make it here. Then just simply what we need to do, we need to copy that and paste it here and just align it in the center of the text. Okay, now select all four of them and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready to view. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.